So let's say, for example, we have this expression 4,000 minus 456. The easiest way to do this is you're going to use your graphing paper or, the paper that I provide for you to use, which is the colored one. So we have this one. We have the green, blue, and pink or red. But anyway, so we know that this is 4,000. 4,000 has 4 digits. So always remember, if you're not aware or you're not sure, all you need to do is count how many digits do we have in our first number. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore, from the right going to left, we're going to use 4 boxes. So again, we're going to start with the ones. We're going to copy exactly what they have in ones, which is 0. Oops, let me write that down. I'm going to go ahead and write 0. Again, the next one is 0 also. And in the hundreds place is 0. And then we have our thousands place, which is the 4. And that's what we're writing the 4 over here. You don't need to write the comma if you don't want to. But if you want to, that's fine. Just make sure it's not too big. Okay. Now it says minus 456. So you heard the sound or the word 100. That means we're under the hundreds place. So that will be 456. If you are not sure, again, you're going to start copying what is the number on the right side, which is 6. So you're going to write minus first and then 6 over here. Right, we're going to left. And then the next one, under the tens, we have the 5 digit. And under the hundreds is the 4 digit. So always make sure you're lining up your numbers accordingly, because if you messed up, your answer will become wrong. And then you work so hard, you solve everything, you tried your best, but then it's wrong because you did not line up your numbers accordingly. So again, what we're going to do, we're going to start in the ones place value. And I always say that you're going to ask, hey, this is 0. Now, we need to take away 6. Now, 0 means nothing. If you have 0 cookies, can you give away something? Of course, the answer is no. So the 0 is going to ask or borrow from this number right here. But then this is also 0. Every time you see a 0, so what I like you to do is you're going to underline that 0 and you're going to keep going until you see a number that worth something. So that's a 0. Now let's have another one. We have another 0 here. Now, can this 0 borrow from these 2 zeros? The answer is still no. Now this line is going to keep moving all the way here. So we see 4 worth something, right? Now we're going to put it inside a circle. This is what I like to do. Now let's take a look at the number inside the circle. We see 400 because now they become like together. So the 0 is going to borrow from 400 and it's going to borrow 1. So if we take away 1 from 400, the 0 over here, we're going to rename it. It's going to turn into 10 because we're going to take away 1/10 from this 400. And since we're taking away 1, so what comes before 400? Think about it. Remember, we're going to rename it, so we need to cross this out. Don't forget to cross the 0 out. So that means we're not going to look at it later on. So the 400 is now 399 because we took away 1 or 1/10, okay? So now we already have, we borrowed and we renamed the number. Now we can solve. So we have 10 minus 6. So sometimes it's hard to count with hands and fingers. So what I need you to do under the space provided down here, you can write the total, which is 10. Go ahead and draw 10 circles. That will be 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we take away how many? We're going to take away 6. So let's go ahead and cross out 6. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 6 I meant. So we take away 6. So now let's count how many we have left. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 left. So we write 4 here. So we're done with this. And after you're done, you're going to erase all your circle and you're going to start again. Okay? If you don't erase that, you're going to mess up. You're going to end up adding it to your new set. So we're done with the ones. Now let's move on to the tens. We have 9 cookies. We're going to give away 5. So how many is left? So let's say, for example, you don't know exactly what to do. So the easiest way to do it is draw 9 circles. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we have 9. We take away how many again? 5. Let's cross out 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's count how many we have left. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, we have 4. And we're going to write 4 right here. And again, once you're done, erase the whole circles that you created or you drew and start a new set again. Okay, we're done with the tens. Now we're going to see how many hundreds do we have. Here we have 9 hundreds. Take away 400, so that will be, you have 9. So let's draw 9. You can draw 9 square, but easier. I really like to draw circles because it's easier to do it. So let's go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we cross out, we take away how many? 4. So let's go ahead and cross out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count how many is left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 right here. Okay, so we're done with that. Let's erase it and we'll start a new set again. Oops. Let's see, we're in the thousands place. Oh, we only have 3 right here. We don't have anything to take away. That means we have 0 value here. So the only thing you're going to do is just bring down the 3 and that's it. So the answer is 3,544. So when you move over here, you can type 3,544. Okay, and that's it. Now if you have a new set of number, all you need to do is just follow the steps, and if you have any question, just let me know.